I'm at Kangunda Road after my classes. Unfortunately, there is nobody who was to take me home, and I have to cross the road and walk until I catch a matatu somewhere. I'm waiting to cross the road. It's a new place. I have to be somehow cautious. Yeah, let's cross that fast. I have to be very cautious because this is a new place and I don't know anybody in this place, and I'm recording. Yeah, it's a new place. So far so good. My lessons have gone well for today. At least I'm building up my confidence. My classes just went well and I'm building up my confidence somehow. So I'm so good. I just rode well and I've really enjoyed. I like this place. I think there are like showrooms for selling cars. So maybe like a trade-in or something. I can see all these cars here are for sale. Maybe like some trade-ins or something. So now I have to walk all the way home because nobody's taking me there. Unlike the last time my instructor took me back to where I came from, but today seems like I have to find my way home, back home, like I'm doing now. I'm just trying to walk and walk, and yeah, while we record. But so far my lessons are going well. That's why I'm enjoying. I'm really enjoying because my lessons aren't that bad, and yeah, I'm doing really well. So I don't know if we can be able to pass through here. Let's see if we can be allowed to pass through inside here, these showrooms. So yeah, we are allowed. There is a throughway. I was scared like if there is no throughway, but I can see there is. Something like maybe they are digging like trenches over there. Hey, I'm somewhere. I don't know if we can walk all the way and continue shooting the videos, but I'm lucky enough my memory card is good. I got another memory card, so like things are not that bad. Like last time, things are that good. It's not that bad. Like I have to fear because my 32 GB memory card is full. I just changed it immediately to another one. So we have full time of shooting. Yes, we're just around the Mama Lucy Hospital. So you can see all those people who are parked over there. That's the entrance to Mama Lucy Hospital over there. Yeah, I hope you can be able to see that. So I just come all the way here if you watch this clip from the start, you can be able to tell like I came with the school vehicle, the King's school vehicle. That's which brought me here. But now I have to walk all the way back because I couldn't find the means of going back. They said like today on weekends, like today being a Saturday, they're so busy. And they have a lot of students who want to learn on how to drive, so I can't keep on waiting for a vehicle to come which might be going to the direction where I'll be going. So I just thought like, let me walk as we shoot this video and as we talk, and just check around and see like what's happening as I show you around this area. Yes, so we are headed to Peace Center and to Jacaranda grounds. I saw like there was an event or something, because I saw some tents and some chairs, and soon we are gonna find out what's happening over there. So let's keep on walking as we shoot this video and as we chat along this area. Umoja 2, yeah, this is Umoja 2 over here. So let's walk, let's keep on walking and explore as we talk. And yeah, it's a weekend of October. October date 12. Yeah, October the 12th, 2024. So yeah, let's keep on walking. Administrative Kayole police station. So let's keep on walking as we move and move, just to be very busy to ourselves. I kept on walking and walking. I'm almost at Jacaranda. I think I'm gonna go inside Jacaranda to see what's happening there, because I saw like some tents and chairs. I'm gonna check what's happening there. So let's divert to Jacaranda and see what's happening over there. Now we are approaching Jacaranda, and I can see some tents. Yes, there are some tents, I don't know. Let's go and check out. Maybe we might get to know what's happening.
Let's go.
Jina la Yesu Kristo kwa amani. Asante babangu, maana anga ya mji umeifungua. Fungua Bwana Yesu Kristo, anga ya Kaole, anga ya mtoto kwa Jacaranda, ukafungue kwa amani katika jina la Yesu Kristo kwa amani. Wewe tu, shuka na nguvu zako, shuka na uwezo wako katika madhabahu. Watu wakapone, watu wakainuliwe katika jina la Yesu Kristo.
I thought it was a political event, but again, it's a crusade by Pastor Nyaga on Jacaranda grounds. That's what's happening here. So for us, I think I should have to proceed home because it's so sunny. It's so hot today. I should proceed home. Adam. Yay! I have to wash my hand over here before I get in to eat.
It looks so stupid though. You be looking goofy, but my wrist it looks so stupid though. You be looking goofy, but my wrist it looks so stupid though. You be looking goofy, but my wrist it looks so stupid though.
Yo nigga goofy and I'm a made nigga. Indeed I'm a player, but I ain't gon' play. I got some hoes in the friend.
Yeah, I've just eaten some omena over there and I've really enjoyed. That lady from Kisumu, Dara, just cooked the omena, or otherwise known as fingerings, real well. and I've really enjoyed. Oh, there is some soup on my lens. Let me clean this one. I really felt like as the tag vision on this one because oh man, I slapped, man, and it was real nice, and I felt like vision must know this, like the left side, those guys are genius of cooking such meals, most especially when it comes to seafood. Those guys are real good, and I've really enjoyed that one without any complaints. Yeah, sijui kama nihamie hiyo mtaa ama ni aje, but ni Kayole again. So let's go home. Twende home tupigwe na jua roho safi. See you. I just walked all the way to Riverbank to shoot some videos. As you can see, this is Riverbank. Yeah, I just walked all the way to make sure we shoot videos like this. That's a pipe crossing over there, and this flowing river, this is supposed to be Ngong River, I guess, but it's so like polluted. You can see it's so polluted, and everything which is flowing over is just but sewage. Nothing flows from this side, and the government just was trying to like remove those people just spilled by the banks of this river. You can see some houses were brought down all over here because they didn't want anybody building near to these places. Like when El Nino came, so many people died because this river broke its banks, and that caused so many people died. Those who are just built by those areas next to these rivers. So that's the situation here at Riverbank. Just after Riverbank, you immediately get to the KDF land. It starts all the way from down there and it goes all the way up over there. That's KDF land, the Kenya Defensive Forces. Oh, it broke down. So it goes all the way up. My stomach is full, and like going up this road makes me breathe so heavy, but yeah, it is what it is, guys. This is Riverbank. Riverbank separates Kayole and Embakasi Tasia. Embakasi Kayole and Embakasi Tasia. So immediately you cross the bridge to the other side down there. You just go to Kayole and you cross the sides to this side. You come to Embakasi Tasia, and that's how it is. It's all these are in Embakasi East. I don't know, but what I know, Tasia is in Embakasi East. I don't know if Kayole is also in Embakasi East, but it is what it is. That's Embakasi East area in the east side of the city. So we're climbing up. Not that I couldn't border a vehicle or just make take a taxi, but I just wanted to make sure like we walk as we shoot this video. So that's what made me like to keep on walking and try to shoot some video. Some years back, this area behind over here was so empty. Those years when I used to stay at Kayole, those areas were so empty. These were all pushes. They were just but pushes. you could be attacked here. But nowadays, houses have been built, and this area is fully occupied. And somehow I think like security has just been restored by people, because people have just occupied those places, and somehow there is some security, although not like it's 100% security, but somehow, because even this road used not to be there. This road was built most recent. The road ended up over there at Baraka Estate. That's where the road used to end. So these all structures here and all these buildings were not there. The year, that was the year like 2006, when I used to stay at Kayole. You could come to these sides, you could come to Embakasi village. The only thing you could see, like there were small structures built out of woods and timber. Those are the only structures you could find those years back. But nowadays there is some progress, things have changed, and now like things have changed security wise, and yeah, now like you can see a lot of things have changed, and security has just come up. It's only that you just wake up every single day and you find like places have been here marked for demolitions, because you find like these places were long owned by some people who are paying land rates to the county government, and these people have just occupied, they're just encroachers. Those people have just occupied illegally some lands belonging to some people. That's why you, in Embakasi, every now and then you wake up and you find like houses have been here marked for demolitions, simply because these people have just decided to build their houses on somebody's land. That's why you find like there's so many demolitions every now and then. Every place you find like has just been marked for demolitions. That's what happens. You find like the owner has been dormant for too long, and people assume like that's a land where they can be able to build, minus like knowing the owner. And finally, when the owners just arrive, you find like people have just decided to become too comfortable, and they think like they own the same parcel of land. That's how, and that's why you see like so many places are here marked for demolitions because of assumption and encroachment of people's land. That's why you find like these things are quite often. They do happen like every now and then in the east side of the city. So that's what happens. I'm panting so heavily because I'm just walking. That's why you can see like I'm just panting, breathing so heavy, because also the sun is up, as you can see. I don't know if you can be able to see me clearly, but again, yeah, I'm so happy like you guys are watching my videos. Thank you for supporting me every now and then. And yeah, if it's your first time you're checking this YouTube channel, consider subscribing, share and like. Also you can comment down below and let me know what you think about my videos. Yes, let's keep on walking home and inform ourselves on what's happening on this side of the Embakasi, or the east side of the city. So this is still we are just walking alongside the KDF farm. Can we call it farm or land? Formerly they used to train those bomb squadron here, and I don't know where they moved it to, but this parcel of land, they used to train those bomb experts of the KDF wing, Kenya Defense Forces wing, because at the other side the Kenya Army barracks, the Defense Forces barracks. So yeah, we're just walking alongside that place. That's the Embakasi garrison. So thank you. Keep on watching my videos. Keep on watching my videos. I'll just keep you posted and inform you on what's happening as we vlog along these sites. You know, sometimes when you walk far, that's when you just realize your prowess. Yes, my prowess of vlogging. You know, when I'm just around my place, I feel shy sometimes. I feel I'm camera shy, but again, yeah, you just find your strength. You just get to know yourself slowly. This is Baraka Estate behind here, the oldest estate around these sides. And from the other side, it's Tasia, former land which was owned by the NSSF Kenya. And also those people also, they took that land, but the NSSF negotiated with them. Instead of demolishing the structures, they just decided to sell it to them. That's how the negligence is. So that's the other entrance from the other side of the KDF Defense Forces. So no cameras are allowed. So we shouldn't do that. So we focused what we are doing. So let's keep on going, and let me keep you posted on what's happening around here. Thank you and welcome.
Yes, on my ghost riding. SP sasa ni mnyama. Aya. Ochengo the rider. The ghost. Korosi moto. Korosi gia moto. Yali toa yaenda yoka. Inashika mzigo. Unaona ukisikia pikipiki inaanza kaka. Sasa hiyo gia imebeba mzigo mzito. Sasa unafaa uipunguzie ikue mzito. Na ukiana pikipiki sasa usikie imeshika chini kabisa. Sasa inataka uipatie gia nyingine ile sasa nyepesi. Ukipatia nyepesi sasa hii miguu ya nyuma unapata imeshika chini, inaachilia. Sasa pikipiki inakuwa soft. Sasa ndio unapata inakurusha. Ukifanya mistake inakurusha mbaya. Ingililia tu hapo. Hiyo. Chengo OJ. Sasa unaona sasa haya pita na hiyo gia kwa nini kwa pump, usichange usikie vile nabaki. Unaona hiyo sasa ni namba 3. lakini ingekuwa ni namba 4 ingefanya sasa inataka kuzima. Sasa inakwambia si unipatie gia bwana. Nini? Sasa inakuitisha utoe.
Basi nisema moto tayari.
Moto wa noko ruhusa. Bwana hiyo umekuja. Hiyo ni namba 1. Hiyo ni ya mlima. Sasa ukipita hapo weka nyuma. Sasa hiyo ukiana na pikipiki unasikia inakuitisha. Bado inakuitisha. Sasa ukipatia nyuma umesikia aje? Imetulia. Tena na hiyo gia ikichoka nayo tena kuitisha. Sasa ukiongeza mafuta itachoka nayo.
Na mafuta tutachopata kwa rudia pikipiki yao.
Unaona kama nimeenda hivyo. Sasa imechoka, itakuitisha. Sasa ukiongeza mafuta kidogo itakuitisha. Weka nyuma tena usikie. OG. Tumefika mtaa. Shule yako inafanya kazi. Sasa kwa hapo hivi sasa ni kutoa. Ukifanya hivi unatoa yote. Stop maneno.
It's been good. It's been amazing riding Moses bike, the Ghost Rider.
Yes.
Yay!
Yay!
I've been having my classes today, and I just found Moses on the way, and I just decided to ask Moses to give me a ride. Unfortunately, yes, man. So unfortunately, I'm the Ghost Rider today. So I'm riding this.
Sasa you are.
Okay, we're Thomas Wati. Again, Tonga Anchete, Yero. Yere, and my Saya and Anchete San. Yeah. Yes, welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. The first time I'm riding, carrying somebody after classes. Today I did the second practical lesson. So I have to carry myself around after that. So we're headed to refuel so that we can have more and more training. Me and Mose. Welcome.